Howdy crew, a little bit of an update for the truck for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Today's update isn't a super long one, but I'm very excited to announce that the truck is back along in production. It has been delayed, as you all know, but I have been notified that it's back in production and will be shipping out in the very near future to Los Angeles, which is great. So I'm very happy about that. Don't know what the delay was or the hang up. Don't know exactly what happened. They said that they didn't have something, that the truck was parked somewhere and that they needed something else to go in it for some reason. That's all the information I know, so I can't offer anything else. I wish I had more information because I'm really curious to know, but I don't, at least not at the moment. And I do now know that also the truck is being built in the great state of Kentucky. So I wasn't sure if it was Kentucky or Ohio. I heard that both have manufacturing plants for the F-350s, but it is Kentucky, so that's really cool. But that's today's update, that it is being worked on again and will be shipping out soon. So very excited, and I'll let you all know when I get updated next.